April the 19th, 2020. Guys, you're looking at the current weather conditions in the southeast. In the yellow, you're seeing tornado watches. In the red, which you see 3 of, headed over towards the Hattiesburg, Mississippi area. And here into Alabama, those are tornado warnings. Let me say something that can be just as deadly, and I'm sure you're picking it up on my mic. I have a metal roof back in my office here, and the rain's coming down very hard. It has been for several hours, and you can see that in this green area and these darker burgundy areas, these are flash flood watches and flash flood warnings. And with this intensity that you're hearing on this mic, this is going to get very serious. So we've got the tornadoes, we've got the high winds and all, but these floodwaters can get very serious. Now, let's look at some of the other current conditions. Now, my friends down in the Hattiesburg area, Forest County, between there and Macomb, Mississippi, you've got tornado warnings popping up now. Pay attention if you're in a mobile home. I hope you can find better shelter than that. Or if you've got a neighbor that's in a brick home or something, or you have a storm cellar, get into it now. If you don't get in, if you can't, guys, I don't know what to tell you. Get either in the bathroom, something in the center of the room. But if it was me and I had a little bit of warning, just me, and this, don't sue me for this advice, I would get in my truck and get the hell out of Dodge if I lived in a mobile home and head due east and try to outrun this stuff, because mobile homes do not survive, even though they tell, and even though that they tell you that, a lot of people and a lot of the deaths that we see are in these mobile homes. Guys, they're beer cans with 2x2s. They cut 2x4s in half to make this, and this is what happens. So we're going to see some problems there, but you've got it here and you've got it in Alabama. Now, if we move east here, you got Monroeville, you got Bruton here, but just north of this Monroeville area, you got Demopolis here. You got 2 tornado warnings out, and you can see these red areas of this circulation, just like you can see coming back out of Macomb. This is going to get serious. It's a little further south than it was last Sunday. That does not move. It can't move further north. But right now, as you can hear, probably on my microphone, and I said this in a video last night, we could see record flooding, guys. So please keep your heads up. Don't get into deep water. Turn around. Don't drown. And if you can get out of a mobile home, please do it. If you're in a low-lying area, remember what I've said for all year and all of last year. You see, of course it's spring. We see these things happen. But we're in grand solar minimum, and we're going to see extremes. Even if it's the extremes of a low-lying area flooding deeper than it normally would. Be prepared for all things. It's a heads up, guys. Be safe.